Oh, thank you, Poco. May I have another? Fred, you want a drink? Hey, hold on. Take her back out and I'll come back. Okay. Fred, the water's on. Yeah. Come on. Let's go.
Go.
And there's a snake right there, ladies and gentlemen. Watch that snake. Trina rode right over it. I was trying to tell everybody. I seen its nose. I thought it was a turtle at first. Come on. Head straight for that one right there, Trina, and just go around the right hand side of it. Come on, Fred.
They did drink at the house, but not a whole lot.
Yeah, I see him. Fred, come this way. There you go. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Watch that rock. There's a rock right here on your left. Come on. Come on, you got to go. We're floating, Fred. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Go left. There you go. Straight ahead, Fred. Straight ahead. Come on. There you go. Come on, Fred. Come on, straight ahead. Come on. Come on. Come on, Fred. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Nope. We're already this far. We're at the end. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go, buddy. There you go. Come on. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Woo! Come on, Fred.